Morning students, take out page number 60 of Grammar Starter book. Today we'll do unit 13. I like apples, and we are discussing topic simple present affirmatives regular. Now student, before we start unit, I want to ask you, what are verbs? Yes, verbs are action words. What action words? Eat, drink, read, write, play, jump, walk, run, smile, laugh, these are action words. So whatever we do are known as action. And we also call them verb. Now verb come in three tenses: past tense, present tense and future tense. Now student, what is past tense? The past tense describe that the action has already happened. It might have happened yesterday, last week or years ago. तो जो काम हो गया उसको दिखाने के लिए हम पास्ट टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. Now student, to show that the action is still happening or continuing, we use present tense. So the action is still happening right now, we use present tense. Now student, to show that action is not yet started, it will start later on, it might start tomorrow, next week, next year और years after, we use future tense. जो एक्शन बाद में स्टार्ट होगा उसको दिखाने के लिए हम फ्यूचर टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. जो एक्शन अभी चल रहा है उसको दिखाने के लिए प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. और जो एक्शन हो चुका है, टू शो दैट वी यूज़ पास्ट टेंस. नाउ स्टूडेंट, हाउ कुड यू नो विच इज़ पास्ट, विच इज़ फ्यूचर एंड विच इज़ प्रेजेंट टेंस? We add some words or some letters to the verbs. So we can come to know that the action has completed or it is still continuing or it will happen in future. So if we add ed to the verb, that will show the past tense. If I add ing to the verb, then it will show that action is still continuing. अभी भी चल रहा है. If I say I am playing, that means action is still continuing. अभी मैं खेल रही हूँ. Now student, if I say I played, मतलब action complete हो गया. अभी मैं नहीं खेल रही हूँ. Right now I am not playing. It is completed. Now if I add will before the verb, then it will show that action is not even started. It will start afterwards. So to show future tense, we add will before the verb. So I say I will play, मतलब मैं बाद में खेलूँगी. Now student, there are some actions which are repeated again and again. They are happening in the past, they are happening in the present and they will still continue in the future. To show the repeated action, we use simple present affirmative. So how could we know that action is repeated or it is affirmative sentence? We use the verb in the same form, or we use verb and we add s when we are using that verb with pronoun he, she and it. But we use the verb in the same way with pronoun I, you, we and they, and we also do not change the verb when we are using the verb with plural noun. But when we are using the verb with singular noun, we add s to the verb. So like will become likes when we are using with pronoun he, she and it. Play will become plays when you are using with pronoun he, she and it. Read will become reads and swim will become swims with the pronoun he, she and it. But it will not change with pronoun I, you, we and they. So like will remain like, play will remain play, read will remain read and swim will remain swim with the pronoun I, you, we and they. For example, I say I like apples, you like apples, we like apples, you like apples. Here you for many people. They like apples. So we can see that verb is not changed. But when we are using the same verb with pronoun he, she and it, we have added s to the verb and like became likes. So he likes, she likes, it likes. In the same way, we will see other example. I like chocolate. Here like is the verb, but we do not change it with pronoun I. You play baseball. Play is the verb, but we not change the verb with pronoun you. He reads a book. So we have to change and we have to add s to the verb read with pronoun he. She swims every day. Here we have added s to the verb swim. It likes cheese. So here also we have added s to the verb like. So you can see that we have added s to the verb with pronoun he, she and it. We read books. You swim every day. They like pizza. They play tennis. We have seen that with pronoun I, you, they, we, the verb is not changed. We can see here like, we can see read, swim and play remains the same. They do not change with pronoun I, you, we and they, and they will remain same with the plural noun. But they will change with the pronoun he, she and it, and they will change with the singular noun. S will be added to the verbs. So student, we show repeated action with simple present affirmative sentences. Now student, we use simple present verbs with the words like every morning, every day, every week. So we can come to know that action is repeated by saying every morning. That means the action will be done every morning. माने बार बार होगा. Every day. So it can be done any time in a day. वो कभी भी दिन में एक बार होगा. Every week माने एक week में एक बार जरूर होगा. So every morning, every day, every week shows that action will be repeated again and again. So student, we will do the exercise and we will come to know about this simple present affirmative sentences in detail through the exercises.